Why is Melania rarely seen with Trump? How much time she spends with her husband is a mystery. According to gossip in the Daily Beast, she often shuts herself away in separate quarters from Trump at Mar-a-Lago when she's not in New York or Washington. While Trump sleeps in the family quarters on the 20-acre compound, she allegedly, quote, prefers to sleep in the distinctive 75-foot tower made of coquina and concrete, unquote, like a fairy tale princess. This may be pure mischief, yet there's a deeper point. Melania might as well be sequestered in a tower for all that she's seen with the president. She rations her appearances very carefully, and in her curated new film, titled Melania, she's often seen brushing off Trump. You can be sure she's making a point. At 55, she's in her prime, while Trump turns 80 this summer. As noticed at Davos, the dark bruising on Trump's right hand has now spread to his left. He admits to swallowing a, quote, big aspirin, unquote, daily for fear of a heart attack or stroke.